Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to view saved passwords in Google Chrome. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in Google Chrome, and what you want to do is come up to your settings button or the three vertical dots in the top right hand corner, give it a click, and then you want to come down and press passwords and autofill, and then press Google Password Manager. So as you can see, that has then brought up everything where you have a password to. So if I was going to search for, let's say I'm going to search for Planable, as you can see, that has come up down below. So if you then give that a click, you then just need to pop in some security to make sure that it is you. And then you can see you've got your password there. And then if you wanted to view it, you could just press this I button here, and then it would show you your password. You've then got the option to edit or delete it. And then if you press the back button, and then it will take you back to all of your other passwords. And that's it, guys. That is how to view save passwords. That is how to view save passwords in Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.